Greetings from Huntsville, Alabama. My name is Abby Kay, and I'm here to tell you about Aladdin Light Lift Incorporated, creators of the original light lift system. Aladdin Light Lifts are designed and assembled right here in America, but are sold all over the world. Aladdin Light Lift manufactures motorized winch systems designed to lower any hard-to-reach light fixture for maintenance. The lift then raises the light fixture back to the ceiling position. Maintaining the beauty and luster of your chandelier or relamping those impossible-to-reach high bays has never been easier. With the simple turn of a key or press of a button, you can avoid tall, dangerous ladders or costly cleaning services when caring for your ceiling-mounted light fixtures in your home or business. The light fixture is easily installed on the floor level. The Aladdin Light Lift can actually pay for itself on new construction as the need for scaffolding is eliminated. Aladdin Light Lifts are designed to last the entire life of the structure. As your style or lighting needs evolve, you can replace your light fixture with ease. For more than 20 years, safety has been our top priority here at Aladdin. The patented system has been rigorously tested by UL and is listed for residential and commercial use. Aladdin Light Lifts are tamper-proof. A key or passcode is necessary for operation. Aladdin Light Lifts are equipped with 2 independent locking systems, and for maximum safety, all electrical current is disconnected from the light fixture while it's being lowered. There is no risk of electrical shock while cleaning your light fixture or changing bulbs. Pay a quick visit to our website, AladdinLightLift.com. Determine which model works for your residence or commercial building. Aladdin offers models that can handle up to 1,000 pounds. Even our smallest light lift safely lifts up to 200 pounds. There are 2 different installation types available, standard or remote. The standard installation models mount directly above the fixture. All you need is 3 feet of vertical access space. Don't have 3 feet? Aladdin has the solution. Specify a remote lift or RM installation lift. This allows you to offset the motor in a remote, accessible location, then use pulleys to direct the cable to where the fixture hangs. Unless specified, your light lift will be rated for 110 volts. If you need a 240-volt light lift for international or domestic installations, Aladdin has you covered. Aladdin Light Lifts are sold through a network of lighting and electrical distributors, as well as prominent online outlets. Check out our dealer locator at AladdinLightLift.com to find a distributor in your area. Or just give us a call. We'll be happy to help determine which model best fits your situation and which distributor suits your needs. Say goodbye to the headaches and dangers of traditional chandelier maintenance. No more scaffolds to scratch your floor, no more tall, dangerous ladders, or expensive man lifts. New construction, existing building, have hard-to-reach light fixtures? Give us a call. Aladdin Light Lift has the safe, affordable solution.